If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat can export an entire PDF or only a selected table within a PDF as Excel workbooks. To export a selected table in a PDF as an Excel workbook, open a PDF that contains a table of information. Then choose the Select tool within the Quick Tools panel. Then click and drag from the upper left corner of the table to the lower right corner to select the entire table. Then right-click the selected table and choose the Export Selection as Command from the pop-up contextual menu that appears to open a Save As dialog box. Select the location to which to save the Excel file and enter a name for the workbook into the File Name field. Then use the Save As Type drop-down to select Excel Workbook.xlsx from the drop-down menu. Then click the Save button in the Save As dialog box to save the selected table data into a new Excel workbook. Alternatively, to export an entire PDF to Microsoft Excel, open the PDF to export in Acrobat. Then click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, roll down to the Export a PDF command, roll over the Microsoft Excel command in the side menu that appears, and then select the Microsoft Excel Workbook command in the final side menu that appears to open the Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box that then opens, select the location to which to export the PDF and enter a name into the File Name field. Optionally, you can click the Settings button to open the Save As XLSX Settings dialog box, where you can change any advanced Excel export settings if needed, and then click the OK button to apply them. To finish and export the PDF as a Microsoft Excel workbook, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.